Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on NMDC. Our analyst maintains buy rating on NMDC with a price target of Rs 290. The company's earning outlook remains strong and has further improved given a steep price hike, which is 29% for lumps and 36% for fines over September 23 to January 24, and also robust iron ore sales volume, which was up 21% year-on-year in 11-month FY24. Management has guided for a strong iron ore production for 47 metric ton to 51 to 52 metric ton for FY24 and FY25, respectively. We expect NMDC to clock 17% EBITDA and 21% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26, along with high ROE of 24%. Moreover, demerger of the steel business will reduce capital intensity and should lead to re-rating as financial remains robust. Valuation of 5.6 times FY26 EV by EBITDA is reasonable. Stocks offer healthy dividend yield of 4% and it has high cash of Rs 11,500 crore or 16% of its current market capitalization. Next, we have an update on Tata Motors. Our analyst maintains a buy on Tata Motors with a revised price target of Rs 1,188 on expectation of continued improvement in JLR, PV and CV business and reduce net automotive debt from current levels. It plans to separately list its CV and PV business in equity markets, which will offer individual investors the flexibility to play either or the CV or PV theme. The company has been consistently showing an improvement in all of its business segments. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 14.6 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.6 times its FY26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.